What a night indeed. The crew had a blast and said it was definitely alluring. Now on to the part of the show we know you look forward to, the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. The footage has been released. Shakari, you deal with Christian away in the People Them airport. Now, we don't know what really happened, but Christian says he's not pressing charges. And still on athletes, Noah, you keep talking about things you're not sure about, like Bolt's missing money. Focus on you now. We over here, we're good. Barris at Grand Gala. He had the audience as his own choir. What a moment. Legend things. Traffic before, during, and after Zimmy. Discovery Bay was gridlocked. Now the police are saying no more permits for Puerto Rico. And finally holding the spot this week, Saweetie and Offset. DJ Academics has a special way of stirring the pot, and he stirred up a whole hurricane this week, dropping Saweetie's name as one of the women Offset hooked up with while he was still with Cardi. Saweetie, is this true? Come clear up your name, girl. That's it for the Intense 5. Let us know if we missed anything. Hit us up at TVJ Intense on IG. Up next, a beatmaker and composer with several hits behind his name. We're soon forward.